Chug, 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 chug. You want my wiener?
Oh no! I'm all sticky and wet. It's so cold. What am I gonna do now? Oh, so wet. Hi everyone, it's Kate Boyer, your lazy bartender. And first, I want to apologize for the mess that I look like. But you know, if you're gonna chug, you're gonna chug all the way, right? Do you feel me? Do you feel me?
I'd like to.
Okay, let's get down and dirty with the drink instead of with my shirt. Today we have what a Lazy Bartender original, Ruffin the Pumpkin. And this is perfect for this time of year because you can have it at a tailgate party, you can have it in your living room while you're watching the game, wherever. It's simple as can be. We have bourbon, maple syrup, and the pièce de résistance, the pumpkin beer. Okay, so that's all we do. Get our shaker, pour all ingredients into the shaker. Now technically we need a half a teaspoon of the maple syrup, but girls that have wet sticky shirts like to live dangerously, and we just put a little bit straight in. Okay, now we'll add the ice to cool this puppy off. And then we stir, and we stir, and we stir, and we give it a little more stir, because we want everything to blend perfectly. All right, throw the shaker top on, pour it into our glass, and let it just pour, pour, pour. Now, give it a taste. And you know what goes perfectly with Ruffin the Pumpkin is a little bit of sausage. At the beginning of the show, when I brought out the pumpkin beer and bourbon, you probably wrote this episode off as crazy. But here we are. A drink that championships are made from. This drink isn't empty. Oh no. And the drinking isn't over. So let's hear it. Red Eye Full Drinks.
Let's booze!
Yes!
I like your nipples.